wants a lump of coal for Christmas? Not me, but I will try the Sour Patch Kids Coal Black Raspberry Soft Chewy Candies. Now, this is the first time I think I've ever seen these in the store. I definitely haven't tried them yet. And so here we've got this nice box of candy, and it does look like the Cherry Blasters type of motif, right? Because Cherry Blasters come in a package that has black and then yellow in the front, but this says Sour Patch Kids. And we see it says coal, and these are lumps of coal, well, candy coal. And I actually didn't realize what the flavor was until I read it here, and it says it's black raspberry. Now, sour black raspberry candies sound really great to me, so let's open things up. But again, let's look at the side here again. We know this is a Christmas theme type of candy. Are you on the naughty or nice list? So we're on the naughty list, the villain list. So let's open it up and see what it's all about. Oh, right here it says black raspberry. I'm gonna open it up on this end. Okay. All right. So within the box, there's this little bag. There's actually quite a lot of candies in here. Now let's open it up. Okay. Let's take a look. So they are actually quite black. I guess technically they might be a purple color, but they're very, very dark. And they've got the sour sugar on top of them. I'm gonna try this piece. Okay. So I bit it in half. And this actually tastes quite good. It tastes very raspberry-like. And it is quite sour and also sweet. Because sometimes when I do get Sour Patch Kids, they're not that sour. So this is nice that it is indeed sour. Yeah, guys, this is good. So I definitely recommend, if you're a fan of Sour Patch Kids or Cherry Blasters, give this one a try. I don't typically see raspberry flavored sour candies from Maynard, so you might only have the opportunity to get this flavor now during the holidays. So I definitely suggest you do that. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching Yay Fun Times, and I hope you have a great Christmas holidays, and I'll see you later.